You understand every word in an English movie. You can read an English article without a dictionary. But the moment someone asks you a question in English, your mouth just stops. Your brain goes quiet. You know the words, but they won't come out. Today, we fix that. Welcome today, one of the Speak Freely 30-Day English Challenge. I'm Arjun, and in the next few minutes, you're going to say over 90 real English sentences out loud. Not next week, not tomorrow, right now. Ready? Let's go. Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak Freely English podcast. I'm Arjun, your host, and today is a big day. Day 1 of our brand new 30-day speaking challenge. For the next month, we're going to build your speaking confidence, one conversation at a time. And joining me today is my friend Mira. Mira. Hi everyone. Honestly, I'm a bit nervous. 90 sentences in one video? That's a lot. I understand English fine, but when I have to speak, I freeze. I start thinking about grammar, and I just stop. Arjun. Mira, that's completely normal. Almost every learner feels exactly like that. The good news, speaking isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up and practicing every single day. That's what today is about. Mira, okay, I'm ready. Let's do this. Arjun, perfect. Everyone at home, repeat after us, speak out loud, and don't worry about mistakes. Let's begin. Part 1. Warm-up questions. Arjun. Mira, simple question first. How's your day going so far? Mira. It's going fine. Arjun. Good start. But in natural English, we usually add a little more. Instead of, it's going fine, try, it's going pretty well. Thanks for asking. How about yours? Let's try again. How's your day going? Mira. It's going pretty well. Thanks for asking. How about yours? Arjun. Mine's great, thank you. See how much more natural that sounds? Now tell me, what's one thing you did before this recording? Mira. Before this, I drink a coffee. Wait, I drank a coffee. Arjun. Nice catch. Past tense. Drank. Let's practice. I drank a cup of coffee this morning. Mira. I drank a cup of coffee this morning. Arjun. Great. Now combine it. What did you do before this recording? Mira. I drank a cup of coffee and then I checked my messages. Arjun. Perfect. 2 full sentences, past tense, done naturally. That's real progress already. Part 2. Core practice sentences. Arjun. Repeat after me, everyone. I'm building my English skills every day. Repeat. I want to speak without hesitation. Repeat. I focus on speaking, not just studying. Repeat. I'm not afraid of sounding imperfect. Repeat. I get better every time I try. Repeat. Arjun. 5 strong sentences. You just said something powerful. Out loud. That's how confidence is built. Part 3. Deeper conversation. Arjun. Mira, why did you start learning English seriously? Mira. Honestly, I want a better job. A lot of interviews are in English, and I freeze up. I also want to travel and not depend on translation apps. And I really want to enjoy English podcasts and shows without subtitles. Arjun. Those are great reasons: career, travel, and entertainment. Have you ever had an interview in English? Mira. Once, and it was rough. I understood every question, but my answers came out slow and messy. I kept translating from my language in my head first. Arjun. That head translation habit is so common. But here's the secret. The more you speak, not just study, the faster your brain starts thinking directly in English. It's a skill, not magic, and it comes with practice. That's exactly why this challenge exists. Mira. That actually makes me feel a lot better. Arjun. So what should you do daily to speed this up? Listen to English daily. Podcasts, videos, anything. Speak out loud daily, even alone. Don't stop for every grammar mistake. Keep going. Practice echo speaking. Hear a sentence. Repeat it instantly. Mirror. Listen, speak. Don't stop for mistakes. And echo practice. Got it. Arjun. Exactly. And remember, fluency isn't perfection. It's comfort. Even native speakers slip up all the time. Part 4. Real-life situations. Situation 1. Checking into a hotel. Arjun, as receptionist. Good evening. Welcome to Hillview Hotel. Do you have a reservation with us? Meera. Yes, I do. The booking is under my name. Arjun. Great. Let me pull that up. Could I see your ID, please? Meera. Sure. Here you go. Arjun. Perfect. You're all set. Your room is on the 4th floor. Do you need help with your luggage? Meera. No, thank you. I can manage. Arjun. Excellent, Meera. Clear, polite, and confident. Situation 2. Catching up with an old friend. Arjun, as friend. Meera. It's been forever. How have you been? Meera. I've been good. Busy with work, but good. What about you? Arjun. Same here. Just really busy lately. So what have you been up to? Meera. Actually, I just started a 30-day English speaking challenge. Arjun. No way. That's awesome. How's it going? Meera. It's only day 1, but I already feel more confident than yesterday. Arjun. Beautifully done. Present perfect. Past tense, natural flow. You're improving in real time. Situation 3. Asking for directions. Arjun, as stranger. Yes, can I help you with something? Meera. Excuse me. I'm trying to find the nearest pharmacy. Could you point me in the right direction? Arjun. Of course. Walk straight down this road, and it'll be right after the bank. On your left. Meera. Straight down, past the bank, on the left. Got it. Thank you so much. Arjun. You're welcome. Have a good one. Meera. That felt so natural, Arjun. I think I could actually use these sentences tomorrow. Arjun. You absolutely could. That's the entire point of this challenge. Part 5. Listen and repeat drill. Repeat each line out loud. I speak English every day. I am building confidence. I don't fear mistakes. I understand more each day. I enjoy this challenge. I trust the process. I keep going even when it's hard. I celebrate small wins. I believe in my progress. I am becoming fluent. Everyday phrases, repeat each one. Good afternoon. How's it going? I'm doing all right, thanks. What's your name? Pleased to meet you. Where are you visiting from? I'm from Brazil. What's your profession? I work in marketing. Could you assist me? Excuse me, where's the exit? Thanks a lot. No problem at all. I didn't quite catch that. Could you say that again? I could use some help. What does that word mean? I'm not sure. Sorry. No worries. Take care. Have a wonderful day. 20 phrases down. Keep saying them until they feel automatic. Part 6. Vocabulary Builder. Consistency. Doing something regularly. Consistency is more important than perfection. Progress. Moving forward. Getting better. I can see real progress in my speaking. Hesitate. To pause because of doubt. I try not to hesitate before speaking. Comfortable, at ease, relaxed. I feel more comfortable speaking now. Vocabulary. The words you know. I'm growing my vocabulary every day. Pronunciation. How words are spoken. I practice pronunciation using videos. Expression, a common phrase. I learned a new expression today. Motivation. The reason you keep going. My motivation is to travel confidently. Meera used all 8 in her own sentences during practice. Try it yourself in the comments. Part 7. Quick quiz. What's one goal you have for learning English? How do you feel right before you speak English? What's your favorite way to practice? What will you do right after this video? Pause the video and answer out loud before continuing. Part 8. 5 tips to speak faster. Speak daily, even 5 minutes. Talk to yourself, a mirror, a pet, anyone. Stop translating. See an object, think the English word directly. Let mistakes happen. They're proof you're practicing, not failing. Listen actively. Repeat what you hear. Don't just let it play in the background. Be patient. Fluency builds slowly, then all at once. Show up daily. Closing. Arjun. Mira, how do you feel after day 1? Mira. Honestly, proud. I was nervous at the start, but I said full sentences, handled real conversations, and I didn't panic once. I'm actually looking forward to day 2. Arjun, that's exactly the goal. And to everyone watching, you did this too. You spoke along with us. That counts. Today's challenge: after this video, say 10 sentences out loud about your day in English. Drop one of them in the comments. Let's build a community that grows together. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss day 2. See you tomorrow. Same time, same energy. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking. Bye.